unleash your creativity, mastering the art of pottery. Are you ready to embark on a journey of self-expression and creativity? Welcome to the world of pottery, where you can mold and shape your imagination into something truly remarkable. Pottery is a hobby that dates back thousands of years, spanning across various cultures and civilizations. It provides a unique way to connect with our roots while exploring our artistic side. Working with clay offers a therapeutic experience, allowing you to unwind and find inner peace. As your hands touch the moist clay, you'll feel a deep connection with nature and your own creativity. The beauty of pottery lies in its versatility. From functional pieces like mugs and bowls to decorative sculptures, the possibilities are endless. Each piece you create tells a story, a testament to your unique style and artistic expression. But mastering the art of pottery takes time and practice. You'll learn various techniques like wheel throwing, hand building, and glazing. It requires patience, precision, and a willingness to experiment. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Working in a pottery studio provides a vibrant and supportive community. You'll meet fellow artisans who can share their knowledge and inspiration. Together, you can explore new techniques and push the boundaries of your artistic abilities. So why not unleash your creativity and give pottery a try? Start by enrolling in a local pottery class or setting up a small studio at home. The journey may be challenging, but with dedication and passion, you'll soon be creating pottery that truly speaks to your soul.